Today we learn the lesson solving equations. Solving equations. X plus 2 equal 9. When solving equation like this, it is sensible to produce to the following order. Remove any brackets. Collect any like terms on each side. Collect the letters term on one side and greater number to start with, recommending that. Collect the number terms on each sides. Solve the equation x plus 2 equal 9. Here, take positive 2. Take positive 2 from each side. Here, plus 2. We add negative 2, or we subtract 2 from both sides. It is equal, we take this positive 2 to the right hand side. X is equal 9 subtract 2 is equal 7. Next one. Y subtract 5 is equal negative 1. Here we 5 subtract 5. Y subtract 5. We remove this 5 from left hand side. We add 5 to both sides. Y subtract 5 plus 5 is equal negative 1 plus 5. Or it is equal to y equal negative 1 plus 5. We take this 5 to right hand side. Here subtract 5 plus 5. Y is equal 4. Here negative 1 plus positive 5. Then 1 is subtract from 5 is equal 4. Y is equal 4 is the answer. Now 3x is equal to 8. Here 3 times x. Both sides divide by 3. Both sides divide by 3. X is equal 4. X is equal 4. Next one. 5y is equal negative 20. Both sides divide by 5. Negative divide by positive. Signs are different. Negative divide by positive. Answer is negative. Negative 4. Y is equal negative 4. Next one. Negative 7a is equal negative 35. Both sides divide by negative 7. A is equal negative divide by negative. Answer is positive. 7 times 5. Please copy down them. 2x plus 5. 2x plus 7 is equal 15. Subtract 7 from both sides. Here plus 7. Subtract 7 from both sides. 15 subtract 7. Then it is equal to 2x is equal 15 subtract 7. 2x is equal 8. Both sides divide by 2. X is equal 4. Next one. 2x subtract 5 is equal 9. Here subtract 5. We add 5 to both sides. 9 plus 5 is equal 14. 2x is equal 14. Both sides divide by 2. X is equal 7. Here another one. Negative 6 plus 3x is equal negative 50. Here negative 6. We add 6 to both sides. Oh, it is equal 6x. 3x is equal negative 15. We take this negative 6 to right hand side. It is changed to positive 6. Here signs are different. Negative 15 plus 6. The small number is subtract from larger number without sign. 6 is subtract from 15. 15 subtract 6 is equal 9. Here sign is negative 9. 3x is equal negative 9. Both sides divide by 3. Negative divide by positive, answer is negative. Negative divide by positive, answer is negative. X is equal negative 3. Negative 1 plus 3x is equal 11. We take this negative 1 to right hand side, positive 1. 3x is equal 11 plus 1 is equal 12. 3x is equal 12. Both sides divide by 3. X is equal 4. P plus 5 is equal 3 subtract p. We take these algebraic terms to left hand side and we take numbers to right hand side. Here negative p, subtract 3. We add p to both sides. 2p plus 5 plus p is equal 3 subtract p plus p. Negative p and positive p then cancel out. It is equal negative p is take for left hand side. It is changed to positive p. 2p plus p, 3p plus 5 is equal 3. Now we take this 5 to right hand side. It is changed to subtraction. 2p is equal 3 subtract 5. Or it is equal, we subtract 5 from both sides. 2p plus 5 subtract 5 is equal 3 subtract 5. Then 3 subtract from 5, it is equal negative 2. 2p is equal negative 2. Both sides divide by 2. P is equal negative 1. Now check when P is equal negative 1. We substitute P is equal negative 1 to left hand side. 2 times negative 1 is equal negative 2. Negative 2 පුතා විනාඩියක් ඉන්න. Oh, 3 subtract x. 3 subtract x is equal 4 subtract 3x. 4 subtract 3x. We take this negative 3x to left hand side. When we take to left hand side, this here subtract 3x. It is changed to plus 3x is equal 4. We add like terms. Before it, this positive 3 is take to right hand side. Positive 3 is take to right hand side. It is changed to subtract 3. Plus 3 subtract 3. Then negative x plus 3x is equal 4 subtract 3. 4 subtract 3 is equal 1. Negative x plus 3x is equal positive 2x. Both sides divide by 2. X is equal half. We can check if this answer is correct. We substitute half to left hand side. Left hand side is equal 3 subtract half is equal 2 and half. X is equal half is substitute to right hand side. 4 subtract 3 times half. 3 times half is equal 1 and half. 4 subtract 1 and half is equal 2 and half. Left hand side is equal right hand side. Answer is correct. Question number 16. 5 subtract 3 times x subtract 4 is equal 6. 5 subtract 3 times x 3x. Negative times negative positive. 3 times 4 is equal 12. Is equal 6. Now add like terms. There are no any x terms here. We write negative 3x. 5 plus 12 is equal 17. Is equal 6. We take this positive 17 to right hand side. 6 subtract negative 6 subtract 17. Not 17. Here 12. Sorry. No. 5 plus 12 is equal 17. 6 subtract from 17. It is equal negative 11. Negative 3x is equal negative 11. Both sides divide by negative 3. X is equal 3 and 2 over 3. $17. A subtract 2 times a plus 3 is equal 5. A subtract 2a, negative times positive negative. 2 times 3 is equal 6 is equal 5. A subtract 2a equal negative a. Subtract 6 is equal 5. Negative a is equal 5. Negative 6 go here, positive 6. Negative a is equal positive 11. A is equal negative 11. The heart. 18. 18. Question number 16. 5 subtract 3 times x subtract 4 is equal 6. 5 subtract 3 times x, 3x. Negative times negative, positive. 3 times 4 is equal 12. Is equal 6. Now add like terms. There are no any x terms here. We write negative 3x. 5 plus 12 is equal 17. Is equal 6. We take this positive 17 to right hand side. 6 subtract negative 6 subtract 17. Not 17. Here 12. Sorry. No. 5 plus 12 is equal 17. Six subtract from 17, it is equal negative 11. Negative 3x is equal negative 11. Both sides divide by negative 3. X is equal 3 and 2 over 3. $17. A subtract 2 times a plus 3 is equal 5. A subtract 2a, negative times positive negative. 2 times 3 is equal 6 is equal 5. A subtract 2a equal negative a. Subtract 6 is equal 5. Negative a is equal 5. Negative 6 go here, positive 6. Negative a is equal positive 11. A is equal negative 11. The heart. 18. 18.
Teacher, she said she will come from 5 minutes.
Okay. Question number 3. X plus 5 is equal 3x subtract 2. We take this positive 3x to left hand side, it is changed to negative 3x is equal negative 2. We take this plus 5 to right hand side, it is changed to subtract 5. Negative 2 negative 5 is equal negative 7. X is subtract here, x subtract 3x. Here negative 3x. X is subtract from negative 3x, it is equal negative 2x. Both sides divide by negative 2. X is equal negative divide by negative positive. 3.5.
Yeah, I got 7 over.
Okay. Question number 4. 2a plus 3 is equal 4 subtract 3a. We take this subtract 3a to left hand side. It is changed to positive 3a. 4 subtract 3. 2a plus 3a, 5a is equal 1. 5a is equal 1. Both sides divide by 5. A is equal 1/5. Are you correct? Dihan, Putta.
Yes, teacher, I am correct. Yes, teacher,
Good.
I am correct.
Good.
Teacher, I'll send a photo, teacher,
Okay.
to the WhatsApp.
Okay. Question number 5. 3 subtract 2x is equal 8x subtract 7. We take this negative, we take this 8x to left hand side, negative 8x is equal negative 7. Negative 2x subtract 8x is equal negative 7. We take this positive 3 to right hand side, negative 3. Negative 10. Negative 2x plus negative 8x, negative 10x. Both sides divide by negative 10. X is equal 1. Are you correct? 6.
Teacher, I send the photos, teacher.
Okay. Seven. Question number 7. 4 subtract x is equal 8 subtract 3x. We take this subtract 3x for left hand side. It is changed to add 3x is equal 8. We take this 4. We take this 4 to right hand side. It is changed to subtract 4. 8 subtract 4 is equal 4. Negative x plus 3x. X is subtract from 3x is equal 2x. 2x is equal 4. Both sides divide by 2. X is equal 2.
Excuse me, teacher, isn't x is equals minus 2?
No. Question number 8. A plus 7. A plus 7 is equal 4a subtract 5. We take this plus 4a to left hand side. Okay, good. Subtract 4a. Here negative 5. Then a subtract 4a is equal negative 5. We take this positive 7 to right hand side, negative 7. A is subtract from negative 4a. A subtract 4a. A is subtract from 4a is equal 3a. Negative 3a is equal. We add these two numbers. Same signs. 5 plus 7 is equal to 8. Negative 2a. Both sides divide by negative 3. A is equal positive 4. We substitute this 4 is to left hand side. 4 plus 7 is equal 11. 4 times 4, 16. 16 subtract 5 is equal 11. Right hand side is 11. Left hand side equal right hand side. Answer is correct. Question number 9. Two x plus 5 is equal 7 subtract 2x. Here plus 5. We subtract 5 from both sides. 7 subtract 2x subtract 5. So plus 5 and subtract 5 cancel out. 2x is equal 7 subtract 5 is equal to 2 subtract 2x. Now we take this subtract 2x is to left hand side, or we add 2x to both sides. Here subtract 2x, we add 2x to both sides. So minus 2 and x and positive 2x cancel out. 2x plus 2x is equal 4x is equal to both sides divide by 4. X is equal half. X is equal half. Next question. 3 subtract 2x is equal 9 subtract 5x. Here we subtract 5x. We take it to left hand side. We add 5x is equal 9. Now here plus 3. We take it to right hand side. 9 subtract 3. Here negative 2x plus 5x. 2x is subtract from 5x is equal 3x. 9 subtract 3 is equal 6. Both sides divide by 3. X is equal to. When we substitute x is equal to left hand side, 2 times 2 is equal 4. 3 subtract 4 is equal negative 1. X is equal 2 is substitute for right hand side. 5 times 2 is equal 10. 9 subtract 10 is equal negative 1. Left hand side is equal right hand side. Answer is correct. Have a nice day, my dear children. In this video we are going to discuss solving equations. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and join with us to get a good knowledge. Thank you.